I think all the actresses in today's current generation, they look damn amazing.
That you would probably.
Yeah, it's Badlapur is special. It's also a film I'm very scared of because, like I've said in the interview before, it's something that's outside my comfort zone. It's a director I've always wanted to work with, Sriram Raghavan, and you see Varun Dhawan the way you've never seen Varun Dhawan before. So I keep pulling his leg. All your kiddie bachas are going to run away because you're playing this really edgy guy, who's almost like a monster, and he goes completely crazy. I can't tell you more about it, but it's a film that really, I think whether it's me, it's Varun, it's Nawaz, it's really put all of us outside our comfort zones because that's just the kind of director Sriram Raghavan is. He never lets you be comfortable on set. No, बाकी directors होते हैं आपको बोलते हैं what do you want, be comfortable, you should be taken care of. I mean, in the middle of a scene will try and throw something at you which will just make you uncomfortable and you will just, how when you corner an animal वो कैसे झटपटाता है. So he just likes to capture you in that zone, and I think the film required that. It required him to push all of us. I remember one day Varun I had come on set and we had a scene together. So he was like, please मुझसे बात करो. एक हफ्ते से मुझसे किसी ने बात नहीं की है. I'm dealing with all the assistants because he's a fun guy and he likes to joke around. So Sriram must have told him, nobody talk to him, don't move around. You have to be in the zone and everything. So that's what he does, yeah. He's really exceptional. I hope the film does well. I'm glad for all those likes on YouTube. And right now, if you look at it, कुछ picture का बाहर आया नहीं है. Just one song and that little teaser we put out. So no one really knows what's it about. And I think that's the thing we're trying to play on. Just trying to be an enigma.
जी आपने कहा कि आप फिल्म कर तो ऐसे आप कटआउट्स भी रखते थे. कौन से एक्टर्स जिनके आप कटआउट?
I used to keep all cutouts called Shahrukh Dixit. Actually, so फिल्म फेयर से आपने सही कहा, बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है एंड बहुत ही अच्छा रिश्ता है. कोई भी आई थिंक अगर फिल्म लवर है सो फिल्म फेयर उसकी लाइफ को कहीं ना कहीं छूता है. एंड फिल्म फेयर एक ऐसी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मैगजीन है जो बॉलीवुड के बारे में, मूवीज़ के बारे में इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूज़ देती है एंड अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वे, इन अ ब्यूटीफुल वे. एंड फिल्म नाउ एज एन एक्टर आई फील इज जस्ट सो मच, it's really special. It's really special.
रितेश की अगर बात करें तो आपका कैरेक्टर था, माना कि आपको अवार्ड्स तो और मिल चुके, तो आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग अ फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड आल्सो?
I hope so. I hope Jitesh and the whole film fair team, they're all here. I think they listen to this. It feels good, yeah, to win an award. I think एक एक्टर जब पूरे साल काम करता है तो जब in the community come together and they tell the actor that आपने अच्छा काम किया, they appreciate you, so it feels very nice because otherwise आप एक film set पे sort of working in isolation. So awards in that sense are very special, and I have not ever won a film fair award. So it will be extremely special if I win one this. Let's talk about this today.
Uma, you've come here for a calendar launch in which you are the one who is, sporting the sort of look in the calendar.
Right.
Who, if you, dig out in the past, who do you think makes for the ideal calendar girl in your opinion?
Ideal calendar girl. Wow. There've been so many beautiful women that we've had, yeah. So I think all the actresses in today's current generation, they look damn amazing.
That you would probably idealize anyone.
I think Sridevi would make. I mean, it's quite a hot calendar girl, if I may say so.
And another thing, it's a busy time for you. You're promoting Badlapur and lots of red carpet appearances. And we were just talking about fashion.
Right.
You seem to be, very cute in when it comes to the red carpet. Has it been a journey of learning for you, like you said?
What's your name, darling?
My name is Sakhi.
So Sakhi has just asked me this question. No, thank you so much for appreciating the fact that I put in some effort toward my red carpet appearances. I think it's coming from the fact that because I've grown up as a tomboy, so I've never really, I guess before becoming an actress, I never really thought about what I was wearing because we pehnti and I'm quite a pajamas, t-shirt sort of a girl. So, but it's really nice, I guess, to dress up. And like I said, the awards are very, very special. They happen once a year where the entire community sort of, gets together and we sort of, I guess, pat ourselves on the back saying, well done, one more year gone and well, good films made. So yeah, I mean, I try. I have a great team now, which over the last couple of years I've put together and helped me look the way I do, and they just help me design my red carpet looks. But I think I still have a long way to go. I call myself a work in progress, and I have a lot to learn because there's some incredibly fashionable people out there. So yeah.
In terms of the awards, you obviously won some. You know, there have been other actors who have been winning awards after awards, but majorly, you know, female-oriented roles dominated 2014.
Yes.
We saw Deepika Padukone take away, you know, a popular category award for the best actress. But you know, Kangana, somewhere, just like flagged off the entire list for this year, for last year rather. So do you think somewhere that balance is sort of off?
See, I can't really comment on what the yardsticks are, or rather should be, for the jury or for the awards. If you ask me personally, in my opinion, I think Kangana Ranaut is the best actress for this year. She's done a wonderful performance in Queen, and in fact I messaged her personally when I saw the film. I thought she was exceptional. I don't think anybody else could have done it better. What the yardsticks or how these awards are done, I'm not the right person. I think the jury members are a better judge of how that entire process happens. Really.
We done?
Anyone else?
This Republic Day is on 26th.
Or Rakhi, Tame. I'd like to wish everyone a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.